Kuzobe kukokuthoma ukuthi ikulumo yobunjalo benarha ibanjelwe ngaphandle kwePalamende yeSewula Afrika. Banjelwa ngaphandle kwePalamende ngoba iPalamende ichile. Imera yeKapa inikele ngeholo yedrobha layo namhlanje.
We felt that it was important for all South Africans to come together and to put aside whatever differences of politics and news and the debate topics of the day and to help one another.
Wanelisekile uSpika wePalamende ngaleli gadango. Uthi isifunda seKapa sitsimelele phezu komthamo wamahlelo wechapuluko. Njengoba nekulumo le yokubanjelwa eholweni edrobha nje, lokhu kuhlathulula ukuthi kuyokusetshenziswa yonke imithetho lawulo nevikeleko efana bhatsi nesetshenziswa ePalamende. Bekufike ngomhla we-17 enyangeni kaMhlolanja. Mapisa Nqakula ubasasazele ngomthetho nabathindeka ekutjhisweni kwama-ofisi kamasipalata we-Uyokubanjelwa eKomani ePumalanga Kapa.
But we have all the confidence in the abilities of our police service that you will make sure that nothing of that sort will happen. I'm not giving people ideas, but what we saw over the weekend was heartbreaking.
We would stay with an understanding that there is a problem that is at the present moment happen in Komani, and we'll look at it in Komani, and we will come back if there is any difference in the understanding of that one.
Ipalamende ithi araga kuhle amalungiselelo womnyanya wekulumo yomnjalo benarha.